After this long ass drive and almost killing ourselves going up this steep, icy mountain, we're finally turning on the fireplace, finally getting cozy. Welcome in, get your seat ready, get your shot glass ready. We're about to pour you up, about to cook a nice full meal, but first let's get faded.
God, though, I had to put on my coat in order for me to cook it. Special house sopa, we call it siete mares.
There is nothing better than some warm prison food.
Después cambió una llanta. Shout out to everybody out there. They didn't make it to where they wanted to make it, but we made it where we wanted to make it. Thank God, God bless. You know what I'm saying? Don't hit the player, hit the game. We came through. We did it. God knew. And God did too. Man. You know you're faded when this shit tastes like water. Blood is getting lit. What we're gonna do tomorrow is we're actually gonna fucking come this way. And then we're gonna drive this way to go this way, and then we're gonna meet up this way, okay? After we do that, we're gonna go hop on the skis and go fucking crash ourselves into the biggest tree. It's freezing out here.
We in the Antarctic.
My boy over here with the fur coat, man, feeling fly, feeling nice and warm. That's how I like my boys to pull up, man. Where we gonna pull up, man, we gotta look fly.
Exotic shit.
Shout out to the Louis boys, man, for sponsoring this video. We appreciate you guys.
Check out the merchandise. This shit is fire. It's going out soon, so make sure you guys cop.
Man, top of the morning, good morning, man. We had a fucking blast last night. Had to get a little coffee, you know what I'm saying? Woo, that feels so good. As you can see, last night, we got a flat tire.
Check this out. You ain't lying. These are facts.
Flat tire, man. We had a fucking
3 in the morning.
3 in the morning to fix that tire, man.
Blizzard.
Threw out a blizzard, bro. But we got it done. We're here. We're safe and sound. We're not gonna worry about that right now.
Thank you,
We're
God.
about just having fun. And at the end of the day, we gotta break our pockets. Yep, sir. Man, we're about to eat some breakfast. We all cooking right here, you know what I'm saying, like a family. La verga, Alright, man, I'll see you later. It's good out here. Nice sunny day. Great day to have a nice little blunt next to the fire pit. Put some little s'mores or something. What you guys think? Some little hot links. Let's see. Whoever could launch that snowball the furthest down the lake
He's gonna get 2 free blunts. Okay, you got a nice little snowball right there. As far as you can.
You first.
One. Oh, that's pretty far away. Sonny. Get that shit. Get that shit. He's like, what happened? We're about to wrap it up, go grill. We're about to eat tough. We're about to eat like fucking kings, and we're about to sip like motherfucking elites. Right for good finally. Here. We're about to make today.
Today's menu, we got special ingredient right here. Guatemalan pasta. So good, so good. Just want to slap your mama.
Tell the viewers what you made for us today, because it smells splendid. It smells delicious.
Today in the menu, we got, you know, the one and only homemade spaghetti by the one and only Guatemalan.
Okay, introduce yourself to those that don't know you. Who are you?
Those that don't know me, y'all don't need to know me.
Okay, you heard the man. Anyways, he's making him some fucking spaghetti and meatballs. The meatballs are like this big. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna eat that, but my boy, he's about to open up his jaw like a python. Okay, so he's about to dislocate his jaw for you guys. We're about to show you guys in a little bit. What do you guys say about that, Ray?
I'm just gonna open my mouth like a python.
So we gotta do it. You gotta try it in. Try that shit. Ooh. Have a seat, have a seat. You gotta put some of that traditional 4 cheese Gouda. We just bought like $300 worth of meat and chicken and fucking kebabs, and we haven't even checked if the grill even works.
We can fire, Papa, we can fire.
Man, we're back at the cabin. We're about to cook some delicious food, some warm, heartwarming food, man. Some splendid food, okay? We can't wait to go grubbing because we're actually got the munchies right now. But hey, man, I'm gonna give a shout out to everybody supporting this channel. We love you guys so much.